Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change name on My Vueling Ticket. So now, before making any changes, I'd like you to know that it's essential to know Vueling's policy. Now you have to check for eligibility. Name changes are permitted up to 2 hours before the departure of the first flight, provided no flight in the booking has been taken. For free corrections, setting corrections are free of charge when made through Vueling's Customer Service Center. These include spelling mistakes in the name or email address, translation of the first name, example Jordi to George, reversal of surname and name, adding a second surname, changing or including a middle name, adding a compound name as long as surnames remain unchanged, legal changes due to marriage, divorce, or gender identity change with appropriate documentation. Now that we have known the criteria, it's time to navigate to the Vueling website. So navigate to vueling.com on your website, on your browser. Ensure you're on the official site to protect your personal information. Once you get into the home page, go ahead and click on My Trip tab at the top left corner of the screen, and that's going to take you to the My Trip section. Once you get into the My Trip section, all you need to do is to enter your booking code here and your email to access the booking details for that specific booking. Now, within your booking details, go ahead and click on the Change Passenger option. Once you do that, enter the correct name details. Then review the changes and confirm. If you book through a travel agency, you will need to contact them directly to process the name change. Depending on your fare type and timing, within 24 hours of booking, name changes are free online, only the fare difference applies. After 24 hours for basic fare, it is from 50 euros per passenger plus fare difference. For optimal fare, it is from 48 euros per passenger plus fare difference. And if it's for excellence fare, it is free of charge. Prices may vary on route and time before departure. If you encounter issues or have special circumstances, contact Vueling's customer service. Live agents are available Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Spanish time. So correcting or changing the name on your Vueling ticket is straightforward when you know the steps. Always double check your booking details to avoid any issues at the airport. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.